Hi friends, we're talking about dental health. Dental is your teeth. And the word we're going to use in this book is my, M-Y. So you can do up, down, and then side, side. So it's my healthy teeth. Write your name. And in this book, it's going to say, at night, I brush my, you can write the word in there, teeth. If you can't write it, that's fine. I eat healthy teeth to keep my teeth strong. I visit the dentist 2 times each year. The dentist cleans my teeth. I wake up and brush my teeth. I floss my teeth. I use mouthwash to keep my mouth and my teeth clean. Here's the word my with a lowercase m. So you can write that on there. Do your best and just practice. I keep my teeth healthy and strong. Then we have some activities to do with dental health. So this is a fun activity with marshmallows. So you're going to need some marshmallows for this fun activity. So I'm going to put some on a plate. You're going to cut this out. And you're going to put them with glue all around here, because these are going to look like teeth. And because you're using glue, you will not be able to eat these afterwards. Okay, so you'll need to get some mini marshmallows. Okay, it's going to go all the way around, and then you're going to fold it over, and you're going to have teeth on the top and teeth on the bottom. Okay, then on the next page, you have a giant tooth. So this is a healthy tooth. What are things that you can eat that are healthy? Can you find pictures in the paper or the grocery ads? Like apples or milk, and what else could you put on here? Look for those and cut them out and glue them on. Here's the word dentist. If you can, trace over with a writing utensil like a pen, a marker, a crayon, and then the word dentist. And here is a silly mouth. It has some teeth or not so many teeth. Count them. This one has 2. And on the next page, our toothbrush. You can count them, see how many are here, and then make a match so you can cut them out. So like here's number 2. They would match up to the mouth that has 2. 1. Where's number 1? Here it is. You can play this several times. Then here is just some ideas on how to brush your teeth and how not to have your toothbrush touch anything else, which is lots of fun. And the next page is some ABCs, A, B, C, D, E. And on here, there's a tooth that has some letters here, kind of mixed up, not in ABC order. So you're going to cut these out, and you're going to find a place on the tooth. So, and color it. So like if you turn the cards over and you pick letter A, you're going to find A. Color that in. Cover it up. Pick up the next card, it will be G, color in G. And then the rest of the alphabet, here's K through T, and here's the tooth for that. The directions are here. And then U through Z is on this tooth. And here, there's toothbrushes with different numbers on them. You can cut these out, turn the card over, and find the number here, and cut it out. Or you could just place the card on there. This is lots of fun. Have fun with dental health, friends. Bye.